All right, so I just arrived at the Overland Adventure Summit is what it's called in Stanton, Kentucky. It's about a 4-hour drive, but I'm impressed of all the rigs that are here. So let me turn you around. Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how you guys?
Good.
Ugh.
Yeah, and you get the one that's slide that bar
He's friendly. Just hasn't been on a leash in a while. He doesn't know what to do.
I told, it's actually the same parts and extrusion overland.
Come on. Come on. Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
What do you guys got?
We are a dealership in Georgetown and Paris, Kentucky, and we just support all of the trails around here. So
Okay.
we're here just
All the
supporting.
broken vehicles?
Yes, sir. And our sunglasses and our koozies are free, and then
Okay.
we've got the t-shirts for $10.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Got a Australian Shepherd.
Yeah, he just likes to say hi.
Yeah. Who's crying? Is it mine?
No, no.
Is it you?
He gets really excited and
Yeah.
wants to go. I actually just went to Tongass last week in Alaska.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I
Did you
did.
go on a cruise ship or?
Yeah.
My daughter was working on the cruise ships and begged us to go, and then she quit her job like a week before our cruise. So, like, okay.
What was she doing on the cruise ship?
She was she's in charge of the entertainment, so she if there was a magician or the stage actors and musicians, she made sure everybody was doing what they were doing.
That's
So
awesome.
Event
Yeah.
organization?
huh?
Event organization
Yeah,
stuff?
yeah.
That's cool.
Well, she was a theater major, but we were like, you have to get a second degree. So she
Yeah.
did production, and
Right.
she's been employed ever since. So
Good. That's
yeah, so it's
awesome.
worked out good. So it's a good move for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, her next one's in Japan, so we're gonna fly to Japan
Wow,
and go
that's
see her
awesome.
in July. So that'll be cool. So
Real cool.
all right, have a good one.
You too.
Come on, let's go this way.
Man, I tried to work on it.
So I just got your bike rack like a week ago. Love it.
The
So,
Ramble Rack.
yeah.
Oh, cool. Thank
and the hitch thing that spins out.
you. That one over there? Not
Yeah.
the tire carrier?
Yeah, not
Yeah.
the tire carrier. That
Yeah.
one. Yeah,
It's cool, isn't it?
it's good stuff.
When I finally got that one on the Gladiator, I was like, man, this is slick.
It's the first bike rack I ever had where I didn't actually worry about the bike anymore. It's just like
Yeah.
it's gonna
solid.
stay there.
It's on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
so
reassuring.
it's
to know.
it's pricey, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
So we have a couple electric bikes, and we're just like, we need something.
Bikes are pricey too, so you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's worth
So-
protecting your investment.
But yeah, it's really well made.
I've been beyond impressed. Like, for a West Coast company, a lot of representation at this show. Like, people that have them have
Yeah.
like legacy products. There's two dudes that have original versions of like the Mega Fit on their trucks. I can tell by the latches
Yeah.
that they've
Yeah.
got, and I'm like, dude, I was like, you can like just send this in for an upgrade and like, put a new latch on it. It's really cool. Like,
Yeah.
we go to a lot of shows and people are like, I've never heard of your products before. And
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
really cool. This one's got.
Well, I found you on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where I saw it, and then I was like, it's good stuff. But
Cool.
all right,
Good chat with you.
see ya. Come on.
Yeah, so basically I did a.
Him and bikes, motorized or not.
Oh, you didn't like bike?
No. It's something about that accident when he was out there. He's kind of he had a tough life.
Is he friendly?
He's being a butthole right. He is, but he's being a butthole right now.
Mine just wants to smell everything.
The bike is scared him. So
The what does?
bike did.
Oh, yeah.
He's young. He's younger. So still working on it.
It's like
He's been about 80% kid.
80%. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, I guess. What, you got an Alu cab?
I do.
Yeah, that's nice.
No, come here, stop. He wants to play. So we do, I'm a veteran, so I use this type of travel to heal my wounds of war. And then I go ahead and I take other veterans out on trips. Yeah. And then we also teach them skills they need from recovery. We have people come in and teach recovery.
Okay.
I do medical classes, being a ranger medic, it's easy for me to do that.
Yeah.
And then we supply backpacking food. Okay, that's nice.
Oh, easy.
I'm here, buddy. All right, come on. Come on.
Oh, you're okay. You don't have to come away. I can walk
Oh,
away.
it's fine. He's in trouble. He knows better. And then we supply backpacking food, freeze dry goods to people doing through hikes, stuff like that. We also work with like Grenadier to do off-road driving skills. So we have professional drivers come in and teach them basic skills to more advanced stuff.
Yeah. Well, very cool. Yeah, it's nice. Hey.
He's fine around other dogs. I don't know what his problem is.
Yeah, mine's been in the car for 4.5 hours, so he's just trying to. He hasn't been on a leash in a while, so.
Yeah, well, I had to go down, and he's full of energy today. I think it's part of the problem is he's so
Needs to
ramped
run.
up.
Yeah.
So I took him down to the water for a little bit, and then he saw kids playing, so he wants to play. I'm like, you're too rough to play with the kids, but
Good-looking dog, though.
thank you.
All right. Well, you have a good day.
All right, you too.
It's Casey. He's in the, okay.
You just smelling everything. Come on.
Yeah, a little waterfall.
Yeah. You gotta be a while.
Yeah.
So you just got all three? I thought you were.
Is he vicious? Huh?
Yeah, he's really vicious.
He's a killer.
Yeah.
Sure is cute.
Look at that.
You guys gonna get along?
Okay. I was so mad.
Well, the tail's up, so that's good.
Are you hot too?
Okay, when mine was that size, the vet said between 10 weeks and 20 weeks he would gain 50 pounds. I'm like, there's no way. He's so little. And boom.
He gained 6 pounds in a month.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they grow up quick.
Be nice.
Alrighty. Are you an off-roader? Yeah? What do you drive?
The Jeep Gladiator right there.
The silver one?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Gotta get yourself a 10 on there.
Oh no, we have a trailer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No,
You could do it that way too.
I'm too old to climb up and down a ladder in the middle of the night.
I found the secret for men is put a big jar up there for
Well, a
nighttime.
man, yeah.
Yeah, but usually my wife's with me and you can't do that.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
gotta,
Well, I guess you could get a pea pod, like chamber pot, like what you used to use back in the good old
should
days.
try spill that thing trying to get down the ladder.
Get down the ladder. Tie it to a rope and just lower it.
Yeah, I learned to stop drinking liquid about 3 o'clock, so you don't have to go at all. Uh-oh. Oh, he's a cute one. Well, you have a good day. Hello. Friendly?
Yeah.
All right.
She's like, what are we doing? You're so chill.
Yeah, nothing really gets him going.
How's it going today?
Good, we just rolled in.
Nice.
Didn't think we'd be able to get up here, but last minute I'm like, I don't want to miss it. So where's Fletcher?
He's around taking some video.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Back
I
anytime.
started watching him not too long ago. I have a Nissan as well.
Do you have the same color?
Yeah, I just rolled
saw you
in.
pull in.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. My teenage daughter's with me, and she's like, "You go have fun." So I popped the tent. She's gonna go lay down and watch YouTube.
Nice.
So.
That's pretty chill.
It's like, why'd you come this way? She's like, I didn't want to be home by myself. Come on, come on.
I'm sure you'll see him. He's just out getting some
Yeah, I'd like to meet him.
video for kind of a summary of the event.
Sure, yeah. Come on. Come on. Easy, buddy, easy. Come on, come on.
And then it kind of goes like, all right, just pull these out.
Lots of dogs, huh?
That way you're more involved. He does.
Mostly the amount of length you have, or
They do have, technically they have 4 models. They have the cast and steel, which is their basic one, and it's got a stamped steel base and a little stamped steel clevis at the top. Then they have an all cast model that's all red, just like this one, except it uses a different top clevis.
All right, well, I'm going to call that a wrap for today. We actually got up and left early this morning to get to the Adventure Summit. It's about a 4-hour drive from Nashville to get up there. And I spent probably about 3 hours there. I met Fletcher from All Things Overland, and Rob from Revere Overland was there, but I didn't get to meet him. And then there was a man, the Cottywapple Overland. I see a lot of their stuff on the channels on YouTube. So there were some YouTubers there, and then it's just cool seeing all the different trucks and everything that people put together and all the stuff that they have. You know, it kind of gives you ideas on what maybe something that you need or something you don't need. But anyway, but overall, I'm pretty happy with the GFC. I think my build out has turned out well. And the ones that I did see there, they hadn't built out anything on theirs yet. So one guy had his for 3 years, and he just had some plastic bins in the back of his truck and a refrigerator, and that was it. But anyway, to each his own, and you do what you got to do to work for you. But yeah, we didn't spend the night up there because we got stuff to do tomorrow. And in here in Nashville, and so we just went ahead and drove back tonight. So, but anyway, it was a fun outing, fun thing to do on a Saturday. Go check it all out. So, all right, so that's going to be a wrap, and thanks for watching.